Okay, so to predict the price of our coins, be it ETH or any other cryptocurrency, we either use the ARIMA model as shown here, or we use the LSTM model that will be shown later. As for the ARIMA model, it's just a time series projection with past year data from 2016 until yesterday, and then we make a prediction for tomorrow's, in this case, ETH price for tomorrow. But as you notice, the time taken for this ARIMA model is actually 58.72 seconds. So this itself, while being like a less intensive model, takes 1 minute to run. And as you will see later on, when we try to run the LSTM model, we aren't able to get a result output because it takes far too long to run and we run out of API calls. We will now demonstrate the LSTM call. Right. So the LSTM call, just the task is triggered, but then we get no output because it takes far too long for the API to run the code. But the code itself works and can be verified if we use the Python source code. Okay, now we shall look at impermanent loss calculator. Okay, so what the impermanent loss calculator does is that we use the predicted prices from ARIMA and LSTM. In this case, we don't have the LSTM predicted price. And then we run it through the Uniswap V3 LSTM formula as highlighted by our project report. And this minus 7.99 is the projected impermanent loss. And impermanent loss is basically just opportunity cost experienced by the LPs. And when we just derive it using the formulas as mentioned in the report. As shown here, it's minus 7.99% for the near future based on the predictions from the ARIMA model.
So now we'll be showing our LSTM prediction model. It takes approximately 5 minutes to run, so we'll be skipping to the part once it is over. So this should be roughly the output of the LSTM model. It will output a mean prediction as well as a standard deviation. It can be used for impermanent loss prediction.